back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix battery drain after update on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check your battery draining apps. After check your battery draining app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and click on reset option, factory reset. Click on erase all data, enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Restart phone. Click on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.